大家好，我是欧比王，上课喽。
Vocabulary class.
Now we are going to learn this character. It is pronounced as
日
Let's see how to write this character. This word is consisted of 4 strokes.
日
It means sun, day, daytime, date. Let's review the pronunciation of the rhythm of the 4 tones. To pronounce this notation, clench your front teeth.
日
日日日
This word is the 4th tone, so it should be
日 The origin of this character.
There are many theories about the origin of words. We only take the ones that are easier to understand. In ancient China, people recorded everything around them on clay tablets. They believed that there was a 3-legged crow in the sun, which emitted light all over its body. The sun was supposed to be round, but it was changed into a square for the convenience of carving.
日 日
It looked like this in Oracle bone script.
日
It looked like this in bronze inscriptions.
日
It looked like this in silk manuscript.
日
That's the origin of this word.
The meaning of this character.
日 It means sun, day, daytime, date, daily.
日
This word represented the sun in ancient times, so it can be used for the time when the sun appears or disappears.
日出
Sunrise,
日落
sunset,
日出
sunrise.
新年的第一天，我们要去看阿里山的日出与云海。
日
This word can be used to indicate the time when the sun appears, such as day shift, compared to night shift.
日班
Day shift,
日班
day shift.
我同学大宇是超商的日班店员。
日
This word can be used to refer to specific dates, such as national holidays, birthdays.
生日
Birthday,
国庆日
National Day,
生日
Birthday.
后天是我生日，适合搬家，一切从头开始。
日
It is also used to refer to daily things, such as daily necessities and diaries.
日记、
Diary,
日用品、
daily necessities,
日用品。
daily necessities.
出门旅游，我都会带自己的牙膏、牙刷等日用品。
Word in daily life.
Japan.
日本
Around AD 670, Japan began to call itself
日本
because Japan is located in the east of China, in the direction where the sun rises and where the sun originates. In addition, its flag is also a sun, so the name Japan deserves its name. In the news, this word can be used as an abbreviation to represent Japan.
因为台日友好关系， 每次地震，双方都会互相关心。
Finally, let us appreciate the works of famous calligraphers in history.
日
Which one is your favorite? That's it for today. Remember to download and print the PDF file for writing practice, or download the JPG file to practice on your mobile phone. Ciao.